Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Isabel and I'm the travel blogger at Well Around the World. After traveling full-time for the past 8 years and blogging the same time about travel, I now make it my mission to share tips on how I blog online and how I earn money online so that you can do the same, because I fervently believe in creating a lifestyle freedom that you love, and I want to show you that it's possible. Having a full-time income can be rewarding, but I still get tons of people asking me on my channels, how do you travel so much? How do you earn money while you travel? So I know quitting your job and just launching into full-time travel might not be for everyone, and that's why in this video we're gonna talk a little bit about some different side hustles you can do while still holding on to your day job. And some of these side hustles can turn into a full-time thing, which allows you to travel full-time either as a freelancer or as a full-time consultant. And one of it is how I got started with travel blogging and how I was able to grow my network and grow my audience to what I do today, which is travel full-time, sometimes cat sitting, while earning money on the go. So these are 5 side hustles that you can easily do to earn extra bit of income and, who knows, turn it into a full-time job. Let's get started. The first side hustle you can do is freelance writing, and that is how I got started. With the rise of content marketing, there is a growing demand for quality written content. If you have a knack for writing, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals like myself who need articles, blog posts, and other written content. Freelance writing can be done in your free time, and you can set your own rates and deadlines. Some popular platforms for finding freelance writing gigs include Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. I personally like to go to Facebook groups to look for hires, such as digital nomad groups and the likes. And that's actually how I got started into travel blogging. I knew I wanted to do blogging full-time, but blogging doesn't necessarily afford you to travel full-time in the beginning, and that's how I started freelance writing first. I would pitch publications that I loyally subscribe to and see if I can contribute any of my unique stories to them. That is also one way I do to gain credibility for me in the travel space, especially when you're just starting out. No one really knows you. So having an article on Forbes, having an article on Huffington Post really boosts your credibility and your authority in whatever space that you write about, whether it's travel, whether it's healthcare, whether it's in electronic gadgets. If you're a creative person and are good at handicrafts or enjoy doing something with your hands, another side hustle you can do is selling handmade products on Etsy. If you're crafty and enjoy making things like jewelry, clothing, or home decor, you can turn your hobby into a side business. Etsy is an online marketplace that specializes in handmade and vintage items. You can create your own online store, set your own prices, and reach a large audience of potential customers. This side hustle can be done on your own schedule, and you can even start with just a few products that you love to make and expand over time. A third side hustle you can do is tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer services as a tutor or a teacher. This can be done in person or online, and you can set your own rates and schedule. You can tutor students in academic subjects like math or science, or teach skills like music or language. Some popular platforms for finding tutoring or teaching gigs include whim, Chag, and VIP Kit. Across my travels and immersing myself in the digital nomad world, I've met tons of people who do exactly that and do it full-time, which allows them the freedom to travel full-time. A lot of them are French teachers that teach English, or Spanish-speaking teachers that teach English, or vice versa. One side hustle that you can do is pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals and have some free time, you can offer your services as a pet sitter or a dog walker. Many pet owners need someone to care for their pets while they're away, and you can provide that service in your home or theirs. You can also offer dog walking services to busy pet owners who don't have time to exercise their pets. Some popular platforms for finding pet sitting or dog walking gigs include Rover, Wag, and Care.com. Myself personally, I'm on Trusted House Sitters, and right now, as you can see, I am cat sitting. It offers a great way to get free accommodation while you travel, as I've shared in my earlier video on how I managed to live in London for 4 weeks for under $1,000. While that doesn't necessarily pay, it offers a good opportunity for you to travel more cheaply. The final side hustle we'll explore is virtual assisting. If you have administrative or organizational skills, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to businesses and individuals remotely, and can handle tasks such as email management, appointment scheduling, outreach, social media management. These side hustles can be done from anywhere, and you can set your own rates and schedule. Some popular platforms for finding virtual assistant gigs include Virtual Assistant Jobs, Zirtual, and Upwork. I personally am always on the lookout for virtual assistants, and I've been working with my virtual assistant for a period of a year now. I now expand my team totally remotely to include graphic designer, a video editor, a photo editor, etc., etc. Writers included. I am always on the lookout for hiring writers because my nature of the job is content. So I'm always looking to scale up my business, and to scale up my business, I would require extra manpower and help. So these are some of the jobs that you can do as a side hustle, but also virtually, which in the long run, if you're intending to get remote freedom, be able to work remotely, be able to travel and work, would set you up to that path. And there you have it. 5 side hustles that you can do even with a full-time job that doesn't take a lot to start. Whether you're looking for extra income or a new challenge or want to delve into remote working, these side hustles can help you achieve these goals. From freelance writing to virtual assisting, there's something for everyone. I've also met a lot of business people that don't necessarily create their products, but have now handed it over to a team that creates the actual physical products, and they're just involved in marketing or involved in managing the Etsy store. So you see, all these side hustles might seem a little small in nature, it might seem like you don't get much traction, but if you're passionate in it, if you enjoy doing it, you can scale it up, you can hire a team that manages on-site production work, and then you can travel the world working online. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring your options and find the side hustle that's right for you. And remember, always make time for the things you love. Thanks for watching! If you found this useful, I appreciate a like and subscribe in this channel so that you'll be notified when the next video comes along. Thank you!